Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Shiba Inu. We're covering it again. I covered it last time. It was 2 days ago, I think I covered it. And since then, well, the market circumstances are practically the same. We'll talk about that, but obviously today is a very important day for the crypto markets with the interest rates coming out. So we'll talk about that briefly in this video, but I mostly wanted to focus on the technicals. The thing is that if we're talking about the technicals and if we're talking about possibilities for Shiba in the short term, we have to talk about that interest rate because that's going to make the market move. And we all know that if the market moves, Shiba Inu will move as well. Not as much as other cryptos. Shiba Inu is quite uncorrelated to other cryptos, but it will move. So we have to talk about it. But if we before we start, I want to tell you about my signals group. If you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But now to talk about Shiba, I mean, as I said, the market circumstances are fairly similar as last time around. If you zoom out, you can still see that technically we're in a very, very strong downtrend still, right? And we haven't broken above that yet. You can see that this is really the main trend line, even though, I mean, trend lines are not the only indicator of a trend. But it has quite a lot of symbolic value, I think, because we've never been able to break above that in the last, what is it, like 1.5 weeks. So we're respecting that bearish momentum, but on the other hand, we're also, as you can see down here, we're having a little bit of bullish momentum as well. So that's going to clash. We're going to get a breakout at some point, or we're just going to consolidate. But I don't think that's the most likely scenario with the volatility we have seen in the market. And there the fundamentals come in. I mean, if we would only focus on the technicals for Shiba, then I would say that it's more likely that we will respect the downtrend and that we will drop down to that level around 1,000. But because of the fundamentals, I think we have a real chance. And sorry that my chart is this messy, but Shiba is also just a messy crypto to analyze sometimes. But because of the fundamentals this evening, I will not in this video I will not go into depth about the different results. And tell you about that. I don't think that's necessary. I made a lot of videos on that. In my Bitcoin video, for example, you can learn more about that. But altogether, after the interest rate and after the press conference, Bitcoin is either going to go up towards 29,000 or it will drop down to 26,000. All right, for Shiba and for simplicity, we'll have those two as the two main scenarios. Now, Right now, if we take a look at the market structure, if we want to break out of this downtrend, what we need to do is we need to break above 1130, which is always, by the way, what I name the prices as, but most of you know. Then we have broken above the trend line and the 200 EMA. So that's what we need to do. Is that possible? Yes. If the outcome of the interest rate is bullish, if Bitcoin goes up to 29,000, I expect Shiba to break above 1130, at least at the in the very beginning go up to 1180, 1200, and from there we'll see again. I think we'll remain bullish. I think we can start some sort of an uptrend from there, but initially that's a bullish breakout. Now, if Bitcoin goes down to 26,000 after the results, which is, by the way, in probably when you're watching this video in about 8.5 hours after the uploading, if Bitcoin drops down, Shiba is going to follow it and will drop down to 1,000. And from there, we'll see. If we barely get any support at 1,000, we can also easily drop back down towards 950. So it's, as I said, it's going to be very volatile. It really could go both ways. So I would recommend you to check out my Bitcoin video or the interest rate decision video this afternoon. And I'll be live streaming as well. So hopefully I'll see you then as well. But this is my take on Shiba for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.